Here's an amazing way to make liquid fertilizer at home without the hassle of straining stinky liquid through a cloth or mesh. This method is simple, clean, and produces a highly potent fertilizer full of nutrients and beneficial microbes that plants love. The best part is that the fertilizer will strain itself naturally without any extra effort. Let's go through the process together and make this powerful liquid fertilizer step by step. To start, you'll need 2 containers. In this example, we're using 2 old 5-gallon buckets that are perfect for the job. The first step is to take one of the buckets and make several holes in the bottom using a drill machine. Make sure to create plenty of holes, as this is how the liquid fertilizer will drip out during the process. Take the second bucket, the one without any holes, and place the bucket with holes inside it. There should be a gap of about 2 to 3 inches between the bottom of the inner bucket and the base of the outer bucket. This setup is essential because the liquid fertilizer will drip from the waste in the top bucket and collect in the bottom bucket. Next, it's time to collect your kitchen waste. This can include peels from vegetables and fruits, such as potato peels, carrot peels, banana skins, and even the outer layers of peas or onions. Feel free to use anything that's uncooked and plant-based, like leftover salad leaves, stems of herbs, or even coffee grounds. Take all of this waste and place it into the bucket with the holes at the bottom. Now, to help the process along, place a heavy brick or any other weight on top of the waste in the inner bucket. This step is important because the weight presses down the waste, which speeds up the breakdown process and helps squeeze out the nutrient-rich liquid from the materials. Once the weight is in place, cover the top of the bucket with a lid. Keep the lid slightly loose to allow for some airflow, which is important for the microbes to do their work. Leave this setup undisturbed for about 15 days. During this time, the organic waste in the upper bucket will start to break down and release liquid, which will drip through the holes into the bottom bucket. This liquid is your potent, microbe-filled fertilizer, ready to provide your plants with an incredible nutrient boost. After 7 days, it's time to harvest your liquid fertilizer. Carefully lift the inner bucket out of the outer bucket and let any remaining liquid drip out. Be sure to keep every drop of this precious liquid, as it's extremely powerful. You can take the leftover waste from the top bucket and add it to your compost pile, or use it in your garden beds as organic matter to enrich the soil further. Before using the liquid fertilizer, it's crucial to dilute it. This fertilizer is highly concentrated, and using it undiluted could harm your plants. A good ratio is 1 liter of liquid fertilizer mixed with 10 liters of water. Stir the mixture well. And now you have a perfect nutrient solution to feed your plants. Water the soil around your plants with this solution, and you'll notice how quickly they respond with healthier growth, greener leaves, and more vigorous blooms. This method is not only mess-free, but also an excellent way to recycle kitchen waste and turn it into something incredibly beneficial for your garden. The liquid fertilizer you create is packed with essential nutrients and beneficial microbes that improve soil health and promote strong plant growth. By using this, you're not only reducing waste, but also saving money by avoiding expensive store-bought fertilizers. Plus, it's entirely organic and safe for the environment. If you enjoyed this simple and effective method, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing gardening tips, DIY fertilizers, and sprays. Let us know in the comments how this worked for you, and check out our other videos for more ways to keep your garden thriving.